Let's solve these 125 integrals. Five problem. Let's expand the integrand first of all using this special product here below. In the second line, remember to convert the tangent squared into secant squared minus 1 as I show you here. And in the third line, you add these terms. Cosecant squared x are two terms appearing here. And finally, we find the standard integrals that are easy to integrate. From the table here, we see how we integrate cosecant square and the product of cosecant and contingent. Do not forget to subscribe.